Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and guess what came today? The Bargain Bead box for June 2022. So I am excited to get into this, but first our encouraging word for today is the best view comes from the hardest climb. I like that card a lot. Alright, so the Bargain Bead box is a monthly subscription beading service. Today, or this time, we got 17 items, and it says the retail value is $71. So this is an unboxing and review, just to make that clear. I will be giving my opinions about the items in this box. If you do not like that, then you are watching the wrong channel, because I will not lie and say I like something if I don't. Okay, so I just want to make that clear, because there was a little bit of a craziness last month, and yeah, I am going to give an honest review. I'm not just showing you the products. I'm telling you what I think about them. So that's what I'm doing. Make that clear up front. And if you don't like it, then you might want to not watch the video, okay? So just so you know. All right, so this month looks like it is going to be a beautiful box. It looks like we have some Carnelian, just some really, it looks like some orangey kind of stuff. So I'm just going to jump right into it. First up, we have 3 pieces of 10 by 17 millimeter, 18 karat gold-plated brass spring rings. That would be these. Okay. So these are little clasps, basically. And what they do is you would hook it onto your finished jewelry. And then this little, you pull this little lever here and it opens that up. And if you can see, whoops, there's a little opening then that you can slip through a jump ring or whatever you want to put it through. These are nice because they are secure. This is not going to come undone and fall off of you like, you know, a toggle could. The con of these is they are very difficult for people like me that have fine motor skill issues to get them clasped, because you have this teeny tiny little spot you've got to get the thing clasped onto, and that's hard for me. I don't know if it's hard for other people, but I rarely use these on my own jewelry because of that, because it's just difficult for me to make them work. But they are very secure as far as, you know, your necklace is not going to fall off. So that's nice. Okay, then we have 10 pieces of stainless steel fishhook ear wires. So here they are. And these are just your regular fishhook ear wire. Very nice. Okay. I usually use fish hooks. I use fish hooks a whole big lot, so those are good to get. Okay, 30 pieces of 6 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated stainless steel jump rings. I can hear it now. People are going to be having a fit over getting some of these findings. It's good if you don't have a lot of stash already, but if you have, you know, if you've got jump rings, you really would probably rather have beads or something else than jump rings. I don't mind them. These are kind of a thicker gauge, it looks like. They look very nice, and I can always use jump rings, but I can see where I'm probably going to hear some complaining about that one. Okay, number 4, 10 pieces of freshwater pearl and stainless steel links. That's these. Ooh, these are pretty. There they are. They have some weight to them. Very nice. Yeah, those are really pretty. Different. We haven't gotten anything like that really before. These are nice. Okay. Approximately 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter round glass beads. Oh, okay. That's these alabaster magma. These are pretty. I've seen these before in different colors too. They kind of almost have an ombre effect, but they're very pretty. Shiny. So those are really nice. You get a bunch of them too. There's a whole bunch on that strand. All right, then we have 50 pieces of 5.5 millimeter gold finished pewter daisy spacers. That's these. So these are just your normal little daisy spacer. There they are. Very nice to get, but I use these a lot in between other beads and just as spacers, obviously. But look, there's one in there that's dark. Weird. But anyway, they're great to have. Then we have half matte glass cylinder beads in apricot shimmer. That's these. These are interesting. They remind me of little pills, the shape of them. I love this half matte, half shiny. It's really pretty. It's a really interesting shape. I've not seen those in these before. So those are nice. Then we have a 15-inch strand of 6mm Carnelian round beads, dyed and heated. These are pretty. Very, very pretty Carnelian. Okay. So let's see. Then we've got, 20 pieces of 8x6mm faceted crystal fancy rondelle beads in bisque. That's these. Oh, okay, yeah, look at the facets on there. It's not just faceted. It's like micro-faceted. I don't know if you can see, but there are a bunch of little facets on those beads. Those are pretty. They're very sparkly. Look at that. Be pretty, they'll add some nice sparkle. Okay, then we have 1 meter of stainless steel jewelry chain. Here it is. They always put chain in here, and I like to get chain. It's always good to get chain. This is just a regular little curved chain link. Very nice. They're not too big. The links are small. I like that. It's big enough to hook something onto, but not huge. Okay, and then we have 2 pieces of 19x17mm chandelier findings. Okay. Oh, these are interesting. Oh, these are really interesting. I've not seen these before. So there they are. It looks like they are... There they are. It looks like they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little loops for hanging. Yeah, those are really cute. I'm trying to see if they match up. Yeah, one of mine is smaller, like shorter than the other one or something. That's odd. Okay, no big deal, but they're pretty. I like this swirly pattern on there. Really cool. All right. 8-inch strand of 8mm sardonyx round beads. Oh, these are pretty. Wow, these are pretty. Look at those. I don't have sardonyx. I don't know that I've ever even seen it. But if this is it, I like it a whole lot. That is just beautiful. Look at the stripes in there. I love the colors. Wow, okay, those are my favorite things so far. Then we have a 10mm matte electroplated druzy agate beads. Ooh, look at that one right there. It is very druzy-ish. Ooh, look at this one. Very, very pretty. Yeah, these are very, very pretty. They, they're all different, so I've gotten this rope tangled up. So, some of them have, like, this is a kind of a medium-sized druzy. Then you've got some that have none or very little. Then you have that big one. Here's one with just a tiny little bit. So they're all very different, but very, very nice. Okay. Next we have, let's see, 18x21mm agate and 18-karat gold-plated copper drops. I think that's these. Ooh, those are interesting. Look at that. Look at that pattern in there. I do wish that these, I wish that they matched a little bit closer. And I know with a gemstone, it's hard to get that, but they're very, very different. Like, you would not want to make a pair of earrings. And I hope, because this wire just looks like it just ends there, I guess it's coiled around tightly enough to where I hope it doesn't come loose. It seems like it would be easy for that to get caught on something. and pull loose. So I don't know about this. I may have to rewire wrap it or something because that doesn't seem very secure. Like that one right there is kind of even sticking out, and that could catch on something and this whole thing would come apart. So that's a little different. Okay, but they are pretty. They're really pretty. Look at that. Very nice. Huh. I don't know. I may have to do something to this, though. I would be afraid to wear that as a necklace with that wire just left like that. I mean, see that? I mean, it can come right open and be very easy to snag on something. So, yeah, I don't know. I may have to do something different with those, but they are very pretty. Okay, let's see. We've got a resin druzy style geode slice. Okay, that would be this in warm peach. This is pretty. Looking at it, you can definitely tell it's not real. So, like if you wore this, this looks plastic to me. Some resin stuff can look very realistic, and this one, it looks very plasticky. But it's still cute. I mean, I like this electroplating on the side, and I like the inside red, the druzy effect. It's this part I'm having issues with, I think, this little plasticky part. And I'm not sure what you could do to remedy that. Yeah, I don't know. It is pretty, though. Alright, so that's that one. Then we have a 12-inch strand of 4mm crystal faceted round beads in lavender AB. Ooh, these are pretty. Very sparkly. My goodness, look at those. So Brittany's going to be thrilled we did not get bicones in this box. I think it's the first box in like the 3 years that I have been unboxing that we haven't received bicones. I think so. But yeah, very pretty. These are gorgeous. I prefer these over the bicones, I think. Very nice. And then last but not least, we have a 30 by 24mm Carnelian teardrop pendant. Dyed and heat treated. That's this, and this is beautiful. Look at that. Love the shade. It's got some darker spots in it. It is beautiful. So that is the bargain bead box for this month. I do like it a whole lot. I like the colors. They remind me a little more of fall, but they're very pretty. I don't have a problem with them at all. I think it was a little bit finding heavy, as in things like jump rings and daisy spacers and the clasps and stuff. But, you know, it's still got a lot of beads and everything in it anyway, even with that. So, overall, I think Bargain Bead Box is the best value subscription box out there, especially combined with the 30% off coupon that you get when you subscribe, because you can use that over and over all month long. So, really a great deal. Yeah. I will have a coupon code in the description box below this video for $2 off of your first box, or $2 off of your first purchase in their store. But you can only use a coupon code once, so keep that in mind. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.